Good morning mga kasikad. This is Kasikad Chris for your vlog
Welcome to
today.
my vlog.
This is a late upload for us. This is a Holy Friday. Taking picture and video at Calle Ruega. Hopefully you enjoy this video. I hope you like, follow, subscribe me at
The
my
beauty.
YouTube.
Calle
Thank you so
Ruega.
much.
Tayo sa Calle
It's a better
Ruega.
place for us to reminisce our Holy Friday.
Station of the Cross
This
po tayo.
one is good
Katapos
for
lang.
us
Ngayon po ay babalak na po umuwi.
for remembering
Kaya naman po
our
pagdating sa
Jesus
bahay.
Christ sacrifice for
Nagpilit ng
us.
kandila. Ito po.
Thank you, Lord. God bless to all.
Halos
See you
tanghali
to
na rin
next
po
vlog.
nag-start.
This is your Kasikad Chris and my vlog. Thank you so much.